Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And our forecast this evening, 73 at 7 o'clock. We'll find those numbers dropping down to 65 at 11 p.m. with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Should stay dry through the evening hours, but midnight and beyond, we'll see some rain moving in with 59 at 8 o'clock, 63 at noon tomorrow, 67 at 5 p.m. There'll even be a chance of some thunder and lightning later in the afternoon and evening, and a very low risk of any kind of severe weather. As far as the weather goes tonight, a mostly cloudy night on the way in the weather headlines with showers after midnight. Rainy conditions on Wednesday. As I mentioned, that low risk is severe. It's mainly down into Butler, Warren counties and down toward the Cincinnati area. And then we'll see showers and some thunderstorms in the area on Thursday. But after that, a warming and drying out trend as we get to Friday and the upcoming weekend. We'll see the temperatures tonight drop off into the 60s, down to 60 by 4 a.m. with some of that rain, and even reach the upper 50s late tonight. And because of the cloud cover and the rain tomorrow, high temperatures only expected to be into the mid-60s around Troy, 65, 64 Sydney, 64 Greenville, 65 Urbana and Springfield, with highs reaching the mid to upper 60s over the southern half of the Miami Valley. And then it gets a little bit warmer for Thursday afternoon as we get those temperatures back up into the 70s. The Troy Stouder Center camera, clouds been out there this afternoon, thickening up a little bit now, coming up from the south and west. Still dry on live Doppler 2 HD, but here's that rain pushing northeast. Still a lot of dry air to overcome in southwest Ohio, but the bulk of the rain in southern Indiana down toward southern Indiana, just north of Louisville, north and west of Louisville, and back toward Evansville, Indiana, and even more rain southwest of there in the southern part of Missouri, along with a few thunderstorms. All this rain will march up through the Ohio River Valley, head up our way, and bring us those wet conditions for Wednesday, and a pretty good chance of rain continuing into Thursday. Right now, 74 degrees, a calm wind being reported at Dayton International. Still some relatively dry air with a dew point of only 46. The relative humidity standing at 37%. Up north, Jeff Cador and Bell Center, 79, 77 reported in Brookville. Jason Thompson there, Vicky Sifke in New Carlisle, the same number. But as you look southward here, you can see some mid-70s, 76 reported by Barbara Richards in Kettering. Our future track forecast map, here comes the rain. You can see by 3 a.m. covering the southern half of the Miami Valley, overspreading the region tomorrow. Could even be briefly heavy at times, along with that chance of thunder later in the day, that marginal risk of severe storms mainly southwest of us, and still some scattered showers and thunderstorms into Thursday before we see a drying trend at the end of the work week. Tonight, showers develop mainly after midnight, 58 the overnight low, a light south wind. Should stay dry through the evening. Periods of rain tomorrow. We'll have a chance of thunder in the afternoon, 67 for the high, with 6 a.m. temp 59, 60 at 9, 63 at noon, and finally reaching the mid to upper 60s in the afternoon hours. 75 on Thursday, scattered showers and thunderstorms with 82 on Friday, partly sunny. Here comes the weekend. Here comes the warm up, more humidity, mid to upper 80s. Low chances of rain going into Monday and Tuesday.